Hello guys, welcome back to STF vlogging. Today I'm gonna do the control car and I'm gonna make it run around the BMX tracking. This is all the BMX tracking here. So I'm gonna using my control car right here. I will show you the monster truck car, and I'm gonna video it's gonna run around here. In there, there's the cameraman. He's hiding. And wait. I'm gonna get my bag and put it in here. Make it up. Next one, I'm gonna try with this, but I think it's not gonna work because I already tried it. It's not work when it's go up to there. When it's go up in near over there, that park, yep, and it's like start to stop. So yeah, I'm gonna using this car because it's better. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Now I'm gonna try it. So first you see this one is controlling. Yep, I'm gonna try all the how long it's gonna take. With my bike, we go down in this BMX track. Safety first with my idiot helmet. I'm looks idiot. Ready? so guys, so I'm gonna tell you why the other control car cannot move. So basically this is the one that I gonna try today, but when I check it, it cannot move to over there. That part of that thing over there cannot move in, except for the other one. So I'm gonna try for you to see why it cannot go up. You see it? It's only one running with one wheel in here, and two wheel in here it cannot move. So I will show you. See, it stopped. Even I press it, try to make it move already. See, I'm trying to moving it. See, now it's go up. See, it stopped right there. Even better, it cannot go up like this, so I cannot get it up. And when it's stuck like that, I have to go down and get it. See, still running. Still running, but when I put down, see, it stopped. So this one cannot using it for BMX track. So I'm gonna use this one for the other video.